How to free up disk space in Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can free up disk space in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, simply scroll down, make sure that you're on the system section, head over to storage, and after you're on storage, you will see your local disk space. Now right here, it will show you how much each section has allocated, used up your storage. So it might take some time to load. So let it load. So right here, you will see temporary files. Head over to temporary files, and right here, you will see remove files option. Now make sure that you select whichever you want, and you can unselect what you want to keep. So after you've done that, you can even tap on this recycle bin and remove file. After you tap on remove file, your storage will get free. Now you can see right here, total selected storage will give me 3 GBs. Now that's not a lot because I don't have much temporary files. So after doing that, you can scroll down. You can see cleanup recommendations too. You can simply select each and every one of these. You will see downloads. You can clear each and everything here. And then you'll save up to, I don't know, 65 GBs. And yeah, that is a lot of storage. Also, you can turn on storage sense, which will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Now, these are the basic stuff that you can do to free up your disk space in your Windows device. And yeah, that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.